Join me as I dive into the world of wealthy investors and challenge myself to uncover their secret strategies that could change my financial game. Wealth-building strategies used by successful investors aren't just for the elite. Understanding these can actually benefit everyone. By learning from their experiences, we can gain valuable insights into how to grow our own wealth. It's fascinating to see how the rich think differently about money and investments. Their strategies often seem complex, but at their core, they're usually based on simple, timeless principles. Many average investors struggle to build wealth because they face significant challenges. One major hurdle is the lack of access to insider strategies. Without the right knowledge, it's tough to make informed decisions about where to invest your money. This can lead to frustration and disappointment when investments don't perform as expected. Average investors often rely on publicly available information, which can be outdated or incomplete. As a result, they may miss out on lucrative opportunities. Another challenge is the emotional roller coaster that comes with investing. Fear and greed can drive investors to make impulsive decisions, often at the worst possible time. Successful investors, on the other hand, have learned to manage their emotions and make data-driven decisions. They also tend to have a long-term perspective, which helps them ride out market fluctuations. This perspective is crucial in avoiding the pitfalls that can derail an investment strategy. Wealthy investors often have a team of experts advising them, from financial analysts to lawyers. This support network provides them with a significant advantage. It allows them to stay informed about market trends and make smart investment choices. For average investors, building a similar network can be difficult, if not impossible. However, there are ways to level the playing field, such as seeking out reputable financial advisors or using online resources. So, what strategies do wealthy investors use to build their wealth? One key approach is diversification. By spreading their investments across different asset classes, they can minimize risk and maximize returns. Another strategy is long-term thinking. Wealthy investors often focus on the big picture, rather than getting caught up in short-term market fluctuations. They also tend to be adept at leveraging market trends, identifying opportunities to buy low and sell high. Additionally, they often use dollar-cost averaging to reduce the impact of volatility on their investments. One powerful example of a wealthy investor who dramatically changed their fortune is Warren Buffett. Buffett's story is well known, but it's still inspiring. He started investing at a young age and built his wealth through a combination of smart investing and disciplined risk management. What's remarkable about Buffett's approach is his focus on value investing. He looks for companies with strong fundamentals that are undervalued by the market. This approach has allowed him to generate impressive returns over the long term. In conclusion, the key strategies used by wealthy investors are within reach of anyone willing to learn. By diversifying your investments, adopting a long-term perspective, and leveraging market trends, you can set yourself up for financial success. It's not about having a lot of money to start with, it's about making smart choices with the money you have. If you have any thoughts about these strategies or your own experiences with investing, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing more tips on how to invest like a pro.